and today I'm taking you on a trip to Vietnam, sponsored by CIBC Aventura. Vietnam is a beautiful country with very rich history and, of course, amazing food, my #1 interest. It's also a great destination if you're on a budget, and for this week-long trip, we have $1,500 to spend because that seems to be the magic number when it comes to most people's vacation budgets. You can do Vietnam for much less money, but that's not the point of this video. We're not backpacking and we're not roughing it. For this trip, we are balling out on a budget. 4-star hotels, incredible food and scenery. We are going to enjoy luxury without breaking the bank. Or having to find a very rich travel companion. You'll notice that I didn't include the cost of flights in our budget. That's because the cost of flights can vary a lot depending on when you book and when you plan to travel. Instead, I'm going to use the points that I collected on my CIBC Aventura. Through my regular spending with this card, I've actually accumulated enough points to cover my flights. Now, if you're like me and you get really overwhelmed trying to plan a trip, you can get in touch with the Aventura Travel Assistant. They can offer recommendations, give you advice, and help with all of your bookings. It's great if you're looking for something personalized and unique. When I make travel bookings through my CIBC Aventura card, I don't have to pay any booking fees, and I earn double the points, which I can use toward my next trip. So, looks like we're booked and ready to go. I'll see you in Hanoi. Forgot my wallet.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Hanoi International Airport.
We're in Hanoi!
35,000 yen. We have 5.
Alright, made it to our hotel transfer. It's nice and spacious and cool. Hi. Alright, just arrived at the hotel. They're checking us in. Got my fruits. This tea is amazing. Alrighty, can you hear the hustle and bustle out there? We are gonna get some food. Let's go! We came to Vietnam to eat, so obviously we have to try one of the most iconic Vietnamese dishes, pho, which is a noodle soup. It's amazing, very flavorful. Tucked away in this alley. I'm trying egg coffee. I'm not a coffee drinker. This is really sweet. This could actually make me like coffee. Crossing the street here takes a little bit of common sense and confidence. You don't want to get hit. Pay attention where you're going. Vlogging while walking, not the best idea. Alright, so I'm on a rooftop patio in the center of Hanoi Old Quarter. It's a great place to grab a beverage, people watch, and just take in the beauty of the city at night. Good morning, had some amazing food last night, and today we're gonna learn how to make it. Cooking class time, let's go! My Aventura travel assistant recommended a market tour and cooking class. Knowing that I'm a foodie and that food plays such a big part in culture, we thought it'd be a good idea to get some hands-on experience. It's pretty cool, we're getting the local experience. All right, just arrived at our house. Let's head inside. Learning so much. Time to grill the meat. Look at this high tech. So it's the weekend, time to head out to the night market. Obviously night markets are huge in Asia because it gets so hot during the day, so the city really comes alive at night. Okay, this goes on forever and ever and ever. Every possible type of thing you could ever want to buy is here. I just love being here right now, in this moment. I often go to food courts alone because I just like being around people. And this is giving me that same energy. I just need to know that I'm not alone. So it's only midnight, but as you can see, the party has already wrapped up. They tend to wrap pretty early in Hanoi, but that's okay because tomorrow we're catching a flight to Da Nang and then we head to Hoi An. Let's go. Okay, I'm in Da Nang Airport. Gotta find our hotel transfer to take us to our resort hotel. Good morning from Hoi An. It's a beautiful morning, super peaceful. You can already tell this place has a very different vibe than Hanoi. Let's grab some breakfast. My Aventura travel assistant found this awesome luxury resort hotel for under $100 a night. It's got an incredible pool, free bike rental, and a spa on site. Alright, so if you're in Hoi An, you've got to get some custom tailored clothes, so let's go do that. Hoi An is the land of tailors, and this one came highly recommended. I was really impressed with the quality of service and the materials. Within 48 hours, I had a brand new tailored jacket. Okay, so apparently Anthony Bourdain's favorite banh mi shop is in Hoi An, but the tailor told me we should check out another place that's even better, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, chicken banh mi. If you're traveling Southeast Asia, massages are key and they're super cheap, so set aside some of your budget and enjoy. Hello, thank you. Welcome to the night market. Super cute, super romantic. I'm super alone right now. All right, this place is too cute. Couples in boats. Come on. Yes. Everybody's out for the night market. This one's pretty big on lanterns, so it feels really magical. Alrighty, we're going on a motorcycle tour today. Okay, here we go. Sorry, Mom. The motorcycle ride was my favorite part of the entire trip. Not only was it an opportunity to see the Vietnamese countryside, it was a chance for me to just get out there and clear my head and get some perspective. And for me, that's what travel is all about. People tend to think that travel is too expensive, but if you're diligent about putting money aside, collecting points, and being open to destinations that might be unexpected, it's totally possible. What the heck? If you're looking for a destination that's off the beaten path, that has so many incredible things to offer, and that can be personalized and unique to your interests, make sure to get out to Vietnam.
Number one.
I'm number one today.
Every day, number one. See everything.
Okay, thank you.